Hi, hello, and welcome you all for Beginners Mentor. And here we are taking up the issue like startup screen stucking problem. So, this is a common problem which arises when you suddenly switch off your system while updating something in your system, or else if you meet any power outage while you're updating something in your system. So if you start your system, it will goes in, but it doesn't show your login screen or it's stuck from something before else itself. So in order to solve these issues, we have some steps and it's very easy to follow. So let's begin from switching off, so power up your system. Select advanced options for Ubuntu, which is the fourth one in my system. And if you are using only Ubuntu, then it would be the second option. Because of I'm using the Kali Linux, that is also have been listed out there. And here you have to just press enter and it goes in, it's switching on, wait for a while, it will come and shows you the recovery menu options. Here comes our recovery menu options here. We need to select the DPKG, which is repair broken web packages option. It again, what it does is it just repairs your packages which has been broken while you are updating. If sudden interruption or something happens there, then we have to repair it. If you, can you see the blinking option there? If it is blinking continuously for a long time, please press enter again. It starts to work, and here it is reading the cache files which were in the system, and this may take some time. Let me pause the video. This will set up everything in your system like the softwares or the things which is we have kept in our system. And once it is sets up and this starts to find something configuration files available in your system, once it found all those things, it goes in and installs all them. So it may take a while, so please be patient and relax, let it run and don't interrupt it at any cost. Once it's done, it will shows up to you, and then we have to go ahead and we have to install the grep configuration file, or else if we have to say aptly, we have to update our grep configuration file. While these things are updating, you can see the softwares which you have installed and the grep configuration files or the OSs which you have kept in your system. Everything will be shown up to you. If you want to check it, you can check it here. With all things gone good, here our update is going to get finished up. Once it is finished, it will show the recovery menu here. Now the next step which we have to do is we have to look for the grab option in the recovery menu. To update the grab, we have to select the option and press enter now. Once you press enter, your grab configuration files will be in your system, will be found, and they will be reinstalled again, and everything will be properly set up. Because these problems are coming in the startup, uh, coming in the starting up of your system. So we don't want our grub folder to broken again. So in order to keep it good, we have to install it again. Once it is finished, you can see you have to press enter now. Press enter and then press enter again to restart your system. So wait for the system to get restarted. Yeah, it may take some time because the processes and the updates which we have done so far now, because the processes and the updates which you have done so far now will be taken back into the consideration, and it will take some time to switch on. Yeah, that's great that we have got our login page now. And after giving your password, let's wait for a while again in the violet screen. This also takes some backend processes to get it done. As it was taking so much time, not in the normal level, so let's go ahead and hard restart our system. It doesn't going to hurt anything in your system. Just do a hard restart by long pressing your power button. And then now switch it on again. Take your system, let it run, be quiet and be patient until you see your login screen again. After a few minutes, we have got our login screen here again. So let's put our password and get into our system. Please wait for a while. We need not to hard reset again because while you are doing the hard restart, it interrupts everything and it starts in a fresh manner. We have done that now and we don't want to do it again. Please be patient and everything will be all right within few seconds. Yes, as I have said, we have got to see our icons in our desktop, and next to that we have got our files on the desktop also. That's great, we have done it. And thank you for watching Beginners Mentor.